are here in the port of Rotterdam. We're doing load-ins and load-outs from MP's and TP's. For this we are using two of the biggest crawler cranes in the world. The CC88 capacity 1600 ton and the CC68 capacity 1250 ton.
These 480-ton wind turbine transition pieces have just arrived from Antwerp, and Sarens is ready for load-in on the quay. Once they're off the barge, the blue Sarens TP handler mounted on SPMTs takes over. The TP handler picks up the load, and it's off, maneuvering faster than a crawler crane could for this job. It transports the wind farm transition piece to the laydown area and gently puts it down on concrete foundation blocks. Next, the barge rotates to let the crane reach the remaining transition pieces. These wind turbine parts are destined for the North Sea. The yellow transition pieces come from Antwerp, and the brown and white monopiles are manufactured here in Rotterdam. Each transition piece will be paired with a corresponding monopile before transport to the offshore wind farm. This barge will take the turbine parts to the wind farm for installation. The monopiles arrive for load-out first. Each weighs approximately 1,088 tons, and Sarens CC8800 and CC6800 cranes will lift them in tandem. Long slings are attached to the crane hook, so it can lift the monopile without causing damage. No metal will come in contact with it during loadout. One by one, the remaining monopiles are brought in and carefully loaded out onto the barge. What you see here is one part of an ongoing operation. Sarens is on site for several months, performing load-ins and load-outs just like these. With the monopiles secured, it's time to load out the yellow transition pieces. The CC8800 lifts the first as crew members carefully guide it into the grillage. Once all three are on board and secured, they will depart for their final destination on the North Sea.